Okay, so for this project you are going to need one of these hair scrunchy bun things, can't quite remember what they're called, a pair of scissors, some twine or jute or wool, this is to make the pumpkin segments, a twig, it was just something that I cut from the garden, and lastly is your chosen fabric. This can be any fabric of your choice. I'm just using an old cardigan here that was just going to be thrown away otherwise, so all I am doing is cutting a small section out. Okay, so there are two ways that you can wrap your hair bun. The first way I'm showing in this clip gives you really nice fold lines. So as you can see, I'm just kind of tucking it in the top there, folding the edge and then tucking in the next part. The only problem with doing it this way is you don't get a hole going all the way through. You'll see what I mean in a minute. And I didn't have a needle and thread to be able to thread it through, so I decided not to do this way and to go with this next bit instead. So this is how I ended up doing it, which was just threading it through one end and then literally wrapping it round through the hole, pulling it out the other side and then fanning out the edges to cover it completely. Okay, so to make your pumpkin look a little bit more realistic, you're going to want to create segments. So all I'm doing here is using my twine, cutting a small piece off, threading it through the hole and tying it up. Make sure you tie it tight so it actually brings in some of the actual hair bun thing, and you'll see what I mean when it's complete. You can do this as many or as little times as you want, it's all down to personal preference. I didn't actually count how many I did, but I think I probably did around 8 or 10. All I'm doing here is just pushing the bun piece together, just giving it its shape back, and then I can move on to adding the twig. So nothing special here, all I did was used a bit of off-cut fabric and stuffed it into the hole just to kind of make a base so the twig wouldn't fall straight through, and then stuck the twig in, and there you have it. You could always super glue it or glue gun it there if you want, but I didn't have one to hand. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like this video, why not check out my other ones for some DIY inspiration, and if you'd like to be notified when I next upload, feel free to subscribe. See you next time.